Oh, I didn't see you there. Nate once again with RHRSwag.com. Absolutely got to tell you, out of all of the accessories we sell, from tonneau covers, rack systems, and accessories, rack accessories wise, this has got to be one of my favorite. The Putco Venture TEC Table. It hooks up really easy to your Overland rack, or even if you have just the rail systems, absolutely same style of hookup here. You can easily move this back and forth to any position along your system. Again, if you need it maybe a little bit lower here, we can come over here and get it set up for something like, maybe you're out camping and need to get the kiddos something to eat. Gives you a quick access point right alongside your vehicle where maybe the rest of your supplies are. Or if you're out in the workspace, maybe you need to have it somewhere back here. So you have quick, easy access to maybe someplace to set your laptop, something like that. You can go right there. Really, it's just an absolutely beyond cool design so far as a quick, easy take-on, take-off accessory to an already incredible rack system. Check out Putco systems here on RHRSwag.com. We have the tech table, grab handles, any number of accessories that you want to get set up to make full use of your Venture TEC rack. We've got you covered. Join us at RHRSwag.com.